Today we have an exciting video about Kootenay Covers. Covers that come from BC, and they are supposed to protect apple trees from maggots, apple maggots. We have beautiful apple trees on our property. When we bought it, there were apple trees here already, but unfortunately they are all attacked by apple maggots, and we cannot eat them. Bugs increase. It's a sad reality of entropy. And of course somebody has to drive by. People do nothing else but drive by here. That's just what they do. I'm surprised it's not an ATV. But anyways, I remember eating sweet cherries when I was a kid, and there were never any worms in it. Now, a couple of months ago, my mom told me that they had apple maggots in sweet cherries. So it's just a reality of coming to the end of this age. Entropy, chaos, bugs, everything increases, lawlessness as well, of course. So we need to protect our apples because they taste very good, they are very healthy, but they're inedible right now. So this is a very special product. It's called Kootenay Covers. They come from Kootenay region of BC. And one lady took it on herself to come up with a solution to apple maggots. They are very difficult to get rid of. And what people actually do, they would cut down the whole tree just to get rid, but then you have nothing left, right? So she actually has a patent on this very special fabric, which has holes large enough for air to come in and for sun rays to come through, so the apples can develop and grow and not go moldy, for example. They are able to dry out in the airflow, but at the same time the holes are small enough so that the bugs can get through. And basically the whole tree is covered in a bubble. And so this is the special fabric. This is the special, let's take a look inside. We just received a package from BC with this. We have two packages right here. Oh, there it is. This is the Kootenay cover. This is the fabric. Basically, it's a net. Looks like a simple thing, but like I said, the lady applied for a patent, and she has a patent on the special fabric. It took her a few years. Was it a few years? Yeah. And she was able to finally find somebody who could make these covers, because they are very strong. She said one time a bear tried to get through and break and rip it apart, and it was not able. A bear was not able to destroy these bubbles. So you can buy them in different sizes. This is, what is it, 16?
12 foot by 100 foot bale.
So that's the other one, but the smaller one, this one is
12 foot diameter.
12 feet by whatever. And you put it over the whole tree, and this is what it looks like. Let's just get a closer look at this. Is it focused? Yeah. It's stretchable. It's strong enough, and it's very fine mesh, but pretty thick. So you won't be able to find it just at Home Depot or anywhere else and just make your own, because this fabric is so special that she had to search for a few years to find a manufacturer who would be able to produce these. And then she got a patent on this. So this is Kootenay Covers. They're pretty large. This is for one tree. And we have to unfold it, and then on sticks we pull it over a tree. And the other one is a bale where you can cut it and make your own smaller, different sizes, because sometimes you can just cover one branch. We have like 15 trees, so we can't cover all of them, but on some trees we will just cover one branch and get that variety of apples. On a few buckets. On another tree we cover one branch and get some more. So this is it. Kootenay Covers from BC to protect trees from apple maggots.